Okay, so let me put you on to this website, Swagbucks. I really like this website because there's a lot that you can do on here. It's really fun. You don't have to be stuck with doing surveys. There are many different options with what you can do, and a lot of people that I know um, recommend using this, as a method to make money online. So yeah, let's get started. This is going to be a series that I'm going to be doing with making money online, like as a teenager or stay-at-home mom, or if you're unable to work. These are different things that you can do in your spare time to um, make money, on the side, or even, dedicate an hour to doing these things, and you can make money like as an extra income, So you're gonna join in. Everything's free to sign up and everything like that. You get a bonus of 50 swag bucks just for signing up, so that's cool. Then you can click I have a sign up code, because you do have a sign up code. You can check my description and also get some bonus points from using my sign up code. So you can go and check that out and enter that in. So you're just going to put in your information, and then you're going to confirm your email, and you're going to be directed to your home page, which you will see right now. This is my home page. And as you can see, it's very colorful. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of different ways to earn some swag bucks, earn a lot. This is what your homepage looks like. There's a lot to do. You can enter swag codes. You can try and do your daily goal, which you will get to your daily goal. It's very easy to get to your daily goal. So you can get some bonus points there. You can scroll down, and there are many different ways to um, receive points. Over here on the side, these are daily things that you can do to just get, a couple of swag bucks here and there by just literally doing nothing hardly. All I'm doing is a poll. What is your favorite brand of ketchup? And I'm just gonna go with Heinz, because that's my favorite brand of ketchup. But all I did was vote, and I earned a swag point just by, doing something very simple as that. So, there are very simple things that you can do, and then there are more other things that you can do to rack up on points. Do these things daily. Um, and yeah. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different things that you can do. You can earn a lot of points by doing some things, just by signing up with different things or whatever. Um, as you can see, there's a lot of different ways to earn just by doing special offers. Now you can do surveys and get points doing stuff like that. But with this website, it's cool because you don't have to just do surveys. You can shop and get cash back. You can just by doing special offers and signing up for things, you can even just stream some. I don't know why I can't talk right now. You can stream videos and just get swag points by just not even doing anything. Just let those videos play in the background, and you're getting points there. It's just so many things that you can do, and you do a little bit here. You can even play games. And get a lot of swag points. Like, there's just so many things to do on here. So yeah, going on to the rewards section. There's a lot of different ways you can, use your points. You can use so many different gift cards, as you can see right here. Nike, Dunkin' Donuts, Papa John's, iTunes, even if you don't want to cash out your swag bucks and someone's birthday is coming up and you're just like, you know what, I'm just going to use one of these gift cards and give them a gift card for their birthday. It's so easy to do so. So you can do Amazon gift cards. You have to at least have 500 points, have to at least have 300 points, stuff like that. And then, you can go and see prices and stuff. But basically at PayPal, if you just want to do it and get cash, the minimum requirement to pay out is $25, and that is 2,500 points. $25. Yeah. So, there's so many things you can do. You can rack up points many different ways. You can get so many different coupons or gift cards, or you can just send it to PayPal. This is just very versatile website. It's very fun and updated, and a great way to make some money on the side. So I'll put my link in the description. You can check it out, use my code, and start making money today.